We will use this setup to investigate the relationship between the volume and the temperature of a fixed mass of gas at a constant pressure. Heat the water bath. Stir the water continuously to ensure the temperature is the same throughout the water. Record the lengths L of the air column inside the capillary tube at different temperatures T. Plot a graph of L against T. L represents the volume of the air column. What can you tell from the graph about the relationship between the volume and the temperature of the gas?